naira. Follow me, come to the market.
Hey beautiful fam, I am in Mayo Market where I get my foodstuffs. I budgeted 80 to 100,000 and come with me to see how much I later bought what I bought. This man is in the junction. He sells cheap. Any other market you're going to, he's going to sell the same thing. Even if you're going to the new market, he sells the same thing and he has good stuffs. Now listing how much I later bought the stuffs. This carton of spaghetti, 19,500. Carton of this spaghetti, 19,500. Then the big bull, the original half bag, is for 31,000. This super pack Indomie for 14,800. And this sachet oil, 3,500 per one. 3,300 per one against 3,500 they were selling it before. Beautiful farm, I ended up spending 75,500, equivalent to 53.69 USD dollars. So when I finished, come on now, I had to buy fruits from this my customer. She sells fresh fruits. I can't resist her fruits, and she's also very friendly. She has customer. She knows how to attend to customers. Then I ordered a separate tricycle for my stuffs. I had so many stuffs and I did not want to inconvenience people. Me going home, I was excited. At least for the next 3 months to 2 months, I was not going to get foodstuffs. This will do us. So this is me going home to where I stay, So stay tuned. I'll be showing you vlogs on how we roll here in Enugu. I'll be showing you markets and some of our cultures. Check in my description and also channel for other vlogs. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.